Halo guys semuanya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Gisran di Pemetrihan. Di sini saya sebagai mahasiswa D3 Kepariwisataan. Di sini saya akan membuat komentari mengenai salah satu objek wisata yang ada di Surabaya, yaitu Monumen Kapal Selam. Kalian sudah penasaran? Let's go. So alright ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I would like to welcome you to Surabaya Submarine Monument. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gisran as your tour guide, and today I will accompany all of you ladies and gentlemen. Alright, first I will remind you of a few things. The first is, put your rubbish in your rubbish can, or you can save it first before throwing it in the rubbish can. The second, do not forget all your belongings. The third is, do not smoke inside the monument. The fourth is, do not take anything inside the monument. The fifth is, do not separate from the group. And if there are any questions, I will answer them later. And if you want to go to the toilet now, please go to the toilet first, so it not be interfere our tour. Okay, so has everyone gathered here? Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Okay, everyone is here. So let's get started. So ladies and gentlemen, let me give you information about the Submarine Monument and its history. The Submarine Monument is a full-scale monument of KRI Pasopati 410. The submarine is one of the Eastern Division Fleet. Basuki Sudirman laid the first stone in the construction of the monument, which began in July 1995. Although this monument is not a replica, it was made by dividing the ship into 16 parts. KRI Pasopati 410 was laid at PT PAL Indonesia, which was then reconnected. On July 15, 1998, Monument Kapal Selam, or Mount Castle, was officially opened and became a tourist attraction in Surabaya. This green monument is the largest submarine monument in Asia. Its construction came from the idea of submarine and navy elders. Apart from being a tourist, Monument Kapal Selam, or Mount Castle, or Surabaya Submarine Monument, was also built as a historical heritage of Indonesia as a maritime state. KRI Pasopati 410, which is used as a monument, is a type of SS Whiskey class, where the ship has served in the Navy since January 29, 1962. KRI Pasopati 410 has a major role in maintaining maritime law, one of which is Operation Trikora. KRI Pasopati 410 has a length of 76 acres, 6.330 meters, and a weight of 1,300 tons. Its speed reaches 18.3 knots above sea level and 13.6 knots below the surface. Amazingly, KRI Pasopati 410 is equipped with 12 gas steam torpedoes with a length of 7 meters. KRI Pasopati 410 imported directly from Russia. Before bringing the submarine, young Indonesian sailors were sent to Russia in waves. There, they undergo rigorous training to become the crew of the ship. At that time, only Indonesia, a country in the southern hemisphere, had 12 submarines. The Whiskey class is a diesel submarine that is greatly feared by the NATO bloc. Even the Dutch at the time could not compete with Indonesian ships. The ability of the Whiskey class is able to thrill the Dutch fleet because the submarine is armed with anti-air missiles. In addition, torpedo launchers at the stern and bow of the ship. The room inside the submarine monument itself is divided into 7 rooms. Room 1 is a room that functions for loading and unloading torpedoes. Room 2 is the officer's lunch room, where the officers live, eat, and work. Room 3 is used as a combat information center. Room 4 usually used as a base for crew members. And Room 5 is used to store diesel motors, auxiliary aircraft, and controls. Meanwhile, Room 6 is the electrical room, which has 2 electrical motors on main generators to drive the propellers and charge the battery. And the last room, Room 7, is the stern torpedo room. In addition to historical tours, Submarine Monument also provides other exciting rides, namely a children's pool, because it is intended for children. This pool is to sell. This place is designed as a swimming pool only, so there are no other water rides, unlike in the water boom, which has many water rides. Even so, the excitement was still great with happy shouts from the children. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it about the Surabaya Submarine Monument. Do you have any question? If not, then I will end this tour right now. Please don't forget all your personal belongings. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for good cooperation. I apologize if there are any wrong words and behavior from me. So now let's get back to the bus, ladies and gentlemen, to continue our next tour. Thank you, and thank you.